This episode is sponsored by Supreme Chicken. Hello everyone, welcome to Thembi'S Food Tips. I'm going to show you how to prepare supreme chicken leg quarters in a yogurt marinade on a bed of flavor-filled couscous. Score the leg quarters with a knife to the bone. This infuses the marinade deep into the chicken. Add 4 tablespoons of plain yogurt in a bowl. Add sriracha, soy sauce, balsamic vinegar, and salt to your desired taste. Mix thoroughly till all your ingredients are blended in. Gently brush the leg quarters with the marinade. Make sure some goes into the scores. Place the quarters into a casserole dish. Evenly spread the marinade onto the leg quarters. Place them in a heated oven and cook until they're brown. Prepare the couscous according to your desire. Place the cooked leg quarters on the couscous and garnish. Voila! Yogurt marinated supreme chicken leg quarters on a bed of flavorful couscous. Bon appetit!